guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Ellen and I hope you'll enjoy this video. Guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Well, a lot of people ask me, and I get so many DMs that they don't get notified when I post a new video. So guys, make sure to press the ring next to subscribe button not to miss any updates from my channel. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, and if you don't follow me, just follow me right now. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you already know that I had birthday like 3 days ago, February 27th, and I'm 29, guys. Oh my god, I'm a big girl now, and next year it's gonna be 30 years. Okay, I just don't want to grow. I want to stay like teenager like all my life, because I just don't want to grow. I just want to be like a kid as long as possible. Well, the reason why I mentioned my birthday is my birthday look. And when I posted my birthday looks, you will see right now. Well, the people asked me how did I get this glittery ponytail and how my hair was sparkling, and was this a filter? Was this an Instagram filter? Was this an app? How it was so glittery, and did I spray something? And guys, I got so many DMs. I decided to show you what I actually used and how I did this glittery ponytail. Well guys, there's a company named Goddess Glitter, and here is their Instagram, and when I spotted them on Instagram and I saw that glittery ponies and this glittery hair tinsels, and oh my god, I was obsessed, and I contacted them, and they kindly sent me as a gift this holopony that I have right now. This one, at first look at the packaging, I was obsessed. It was so pretty and so nicely packed. There was this, it was so folded, but well, I removed the package like everything, and this is the box that I have left, and I just keep my holopony inside because I don't want my baby to like ruin it. And this one is the shade Opal. I don't know if you can see because it's glowing on the camera right now. So guys, here is my gorgeous pony. Okay, so it's right here. So guys, this is the secret of my glowing birthday hair. It's so soft and it's so pretty. Just look. And it's so nicely made. There are so many sparkly tinsels here, and there are also like blonde hair extensions inside, and all together create this glittery sparkly hair look. And they have so many shades. This one is called Platinum Blonde Rainbow, as I remember. Well, it's a opal and it's a rainbow colors, like these beautiful colors like mixed together, and there are some other shades, so you should definitely check them out. So they have amazing products. They're like single tinsels, like glittery tinsels. They have this one is holopony, is like a brand new product, and I'm so excited they made this holopony. And believe me guys, if you want to like pop and like slay on your party, it's gonna be a birthday or any festival, or if you want something festive and like different look, you should definitely check them out because this is just amazing. Now I'm gonna show the tutorial how I made my pony. So before I do that, I'm gonna show you like near look. So here is this blonde hair that we're going to like tie our hair, and here is this clip, and it's so easy to attach this holopony on your hair. You will see right now. I'm just gonna do like this tight bun. Now I'm gonna show you how I attach this. It's so simple guys. So here is this clip, and we're going to like attach this in the base of your pony, on the bun, and you can do like this, And then we have this hair here and hair extension, and we're gonna like wrap it around like tightly, because you don't want to like your hairs to fall. So you will like wrap it tightly. Okay, like this. Okay, there's some tinsels here, and you can secure this extension with the bobby pin, and the bobby pin also comes with the holopony when you order it, when you get it. So I just attached this holopony on my hair, and look how beautiful it is. And it's so simple, guys, and you can like slay all night with this holopony. It's so soft, guys. The quality is so good. It's not like harsh, and not like you have like the really pleasant feeling when you touch it. It's so soft and lightweight. It's not like heavy to wear. You can wear it like all day. Well, for me, I just didn't want to take this off. I could wear this like all the time, but I'm a Barbie girl in my Barbie world. Well, I always wanted to have like Barbie hair, and it's like just like my dreams came true. This is the app Kira Kira. I don't know if I pronounced correctly. Kira Kira. You can see it in App Store, and look how sparkling and glowy it is on this app. And believe me, it just this holopony gives your pictures like very bomb, like amazing look, you know. So guys, here is the secret of my glowy ponytail, my birthday ponytail, and this is how it looks. Well, it's just so pretty and so gorgeous. As I said, I just want to like wear this all the time. This ponytail like really transforms you into a Barbie, into a glowy queen. I don't know. Well guys, I can say that it's worth it, because well, you know what, when you want to have like perfect hair at salon and you pay like more than $100 to get like perfect hairstyle for your party or for any occasion, and you can get this holopony. Well, its regular price is $130, but I have a coupon code for you guys. So if you use my code Ellene25, you see on the screen right now, you will get 25% discount, and I think it's a perfect deal. So don't wait, hurry up, just go to their website and check this beautiful holopony and slay your party. Well guys, I definitely recommend this to everyone who wants to be different. Yeah, well, I think this holopony would be perfect for a festival like Coachella, also for Halloween look, and like for any party, because I just love this glittery like glowy products, and if you love them, you should definitely get this. So guys, this is my review and tutorial about Goddess Glitter holopony that I was wearing on my birthday, and you asked me so much questions how I did that and how did I get this glowy hair. So here it is, guys, and if you want to have like hair like me, you should definitely check them out. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions about this product, just leave comments down below in the comment section, and I'm gonna happily answer them. And also, if you liked the video and if you found it helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna be with you very soon. Bye guys.